In this video, we're going to cover the top 5 no-code website builders of 2024. These platforms each bring something unique to the table. Whether you're a creative professional, an entrepreneur, or a small business owner, we'll dive into their key features, pricing, and what makes them stand out so you can find the best option for your needs. And you want to make sure you stick around until the end because I'll also share exclusive links that can help you get started with these platforms and unlock special deals to build your website at the best price possible. Let's dive in. First on our list is Hostinger's AI Website Builder, a relatively new but rapidly growing player in the no-code website builder space. It's designed for users who want to create a website quickly and easily, with a strong focus on leveraging AI technology to speed up the process. Let's go over some key features. AI-powered design. Hostinger's AI tools streamline the website building process by asking you a few basic questions about your site's purpose, and then generating a complete website design for you. The AI selects templates, layouts, and elements that match your answers, allowing you to get a fully functional website up and running in minutes. Drag and drop editor. Hostinger's easy-to-use drag and drop editor lets you customize your website further, adding text, images, buttons, and more. It's perfect for beginners who want full control over their website without needing coding knowledge. Pre-designed templates. Hostinger AI comes with a variety of modern response templates suitable for different industries, including business, portfolio, e-commerce, and blogs. You can quickly customize them to fit your brand. E-commerce functionality. With Hostinger AI, you can build an online store, manage products, track inventory, and handle payments with ease. The built-in e-commerce tools make it simple for small businesses to start selling online. SEO and analytic tools. Hostinger AI also provides built-in SEO tools to help your site rank better on search engines and offer integrated analytics so you can track visitor behavior and performance. Let's take a look at the plans and pricing. I do want to note, with our exclusive link, you can get started with Hostinger for just $2.99 a month, but make sure you click that link in the description to get started. Starting off with a premium plan, this just starts at $2.99 a month. You save up to 75%, but make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to get the best price possible. With the premium plan, you get 100 websites, 25,000 visits monthly, 100 gigabytes of storage, 400,000 files and directories, free built-in templates, free email, weekly backups, and so much more. They even include a free domain. Moving on to the most popular, which is the business plan. This only starts at $3.99 a month plus 3 months free, and you save 71% using our exclusive link. From this plan, you get 100 websites, 100,000 visits monthly, 200 gigabytes of storage, pre-built templates, free email, free domain, unlimited bandwidth, and so much more. Moving on to the last plan, which is the cloud startup. This starts at just $7.99 with our exclusive link, and you save 68%. This plan comes with 300 websites, 200,000 visits monthly, 200 gigabytes of storage, free automatic website migration, free email, free domain, WordPress AI tools, WordPress staging tools, and so much more. So who is Hostinger's AI Website Builder best for? Hostinger's AI Website Builder is perfect for beginners and small businesses who need a quick and affordable way to get their website online. Its AI-powered tools make the design process effortless, and the affordable pricing makes it easy for everyone. If you want to get started with Hostinger AI, go ahead and click our exclusive link in the description. Make sure you take advantage of this promotion while you can. Next up on our list is Wix, one of the most popular no-code website builders available. With over 200 million users worldwide, it's clear that Wix has made a name for itself by offering ease of use combined with powerful customization options. Wix is ideal for beginners, but also offers advanced features for those who want to take their website to the next level. Let's go over some key features. Drag and drop editor. Wix's signature feature is its drag and drop editor. This means you can simply drag elements like text boxes, images, and buttons anywhere on the page. No coding required. It gives you full control over the layout, allowing for creative freedom. Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. If you're looking for a quick setup, Wix ADI builds a website for you based on the answers just to a few simple questions. In minutes, you'll have a site ready to go, and you can customize it later if needed. Hundreds of templates. Wix offers a vast library of templates for various industries, including blogs, portfolios, business websites, and online stores. The designs are modern, responsive, and fully customizable, making it easy to create a professional-looking site without any design experience. E-commerce ready. Wix has built-in e-commerce tools that allow you to set up an online store, manage inventory, process payments, and even calculate shipping costs. Whether you're selling products or services, Wix has the tools you need to manage it all in one place. App Market. Wix's App Market offers hundreds of add-ons to extend your website's functionality, from live chat tools to email marketing integrations and social media widgets. You can add almost any feature you need with just a few clicks. Let's go ahead and take a look at their pricing. As you can see, they have 4 plans. Starting off with the Lite plan, it's $16 a month. You get 2 collaborators, 2 gigabytes of storage, and the Lite marketing suite. You also get a free domain for 1 year. Moving on to the Core plan, which is $27 a month. You get 5 collaborators, free domain for a year, basic site analytics. You can accept payments, and you get basic e-commerce. Moving on to the business plan. This is $39 a month, and you get 10 collaborators, 100 gigabytes of storage, standard marketing suite, standard site analytics, you can accept payments, and standard e-commerce. Lastly is the business elite plan, which is $149 a month. You get 15 collaborators, unlimited storage place, advanced marketing suite and site analytics, advanced e-commerce, and advanced developer platform. So who is Wix best for? Wix is perfect for small businesses, owners, bloggers, and freelancers who want a simple, versatile, and affordable solution. Its drag and drop editor and app market provide the flexibility to build anything from personal blogs to full-fledged e-commerce store. If you want to get started with Wix, go ahead and click the link in the description to get started. Moving on to number 3. Next on the list is Readymag, a no-code website builder that focuses on creative freedom and visual storytelling. Readymag is built for designers, artists, and creative professionals who want to build highly customized websites, portfolios, and digital presentations without being limited by templates. Let's go over some key features. Blank canvas approach. Unlike most website builders that start with templates, Readymag gives you a blank canvas to design your website from scratch. This makes it perfect for creative projects where layout and design are paramount. You can place elements like text, images, and videos anywhere on the page, giving you complete control over the design. Drag and drop editor. Like Wix, Readymag features an intuitive drag and drop editor. However, it's designed with creative professionals in mind, offering more precision in how you position elements on the page. Typography and fonts. If you care about typography, you'll love Readymag. It offers advanced typography options, allowing you to upload custom fonts, adjust letter spacing, and create visually stunning text layouts. Interactive elements and animations. One of Readymag's standout features is the ability to add animations and interactive elements to your website. You can create scrolling animations and custom interactions to make your site more dynamic and engaging. To get started with Readymag, go ahead and click our exclusive link in the description. Let's go over the pricing options. So, Readymag does have a free plan, and this allows you to do one published website and 10 pages in a website. Personal plan starts at $15 a month, or if you pay it for the full year, it drops it to $13.50. You get one published website at a time, 10,000 views per month without branding, one website with custom domain, and one collaborator. Next is the freelancer. This starts at $25 a month, and if you pay in full for the year, it drops it down to $22.50 per month. You get 5 published websites, 25,000 views per month without branding, 3 websites with custom domains, 2 collaborators, and project transfer to another account. They also do have team plans. So here you can see they have the studio, which starts at $40 a month, but if you pay in full, you get a bit of a discount. You get unlimited published websites, 50,000 views per month without branding, 5 websites with custom domains, and so much more. Here you can see the advanced plan as well, and this is tailored for bigger teams. So this is $65 a month, or if you pay in full for the year, you do save a little bit of money. Here you can see they have unlimited published websites, 75,000 views per month without branding, PDF export, iframe embed, priority support, and more domain collaborators and page views for a fee. So who is Readymag best for? It's perfect for designers, illustrators, and creatives who want to build a visually stunning interactive website. Its blank canvas approach and advanced typography options make it ideal for users who need full control over the design and layout. If you want to get started with Readymag, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description. Moving on to number 4. This is a platform designed for designers and developers who want full control over every element of their website without writing code. Webflow's visual editor allows users to design websites with the flexibility of code, but with a no-code interface, bridging the gap between designers and developers. Let's go over some key features. Visual design tools. Webflow's visual editor is one of the most advanced in the no-code space. It allows users to design layouts, position elements, and adjust styles with pixel-perfect precision. You have control over the HTML and CSS structure, but you're doing it all through a visual interface. Content management system. If you're building a website with dynamic content like blog, portfolio, or database-driven project, Webflow's CMS makes it super easy to manage content. You can create custom content structures and manage all your dynamic content from one place. Custom code export. While Webflow is a no-code platform, it's built for professionals who might need to export their code. This feature allows you to export your site's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for use of other platforms. Responsive design. Webflow excels at creating responsive websites. You can design custom layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile views, ensuring your website looks great on any device. Let's go ahead and take a look at their pricing. As you can see, they have plans from free all the way up to enterprise. So starting off with the free plan, you get 2 pages, 50 form submissions, and 1 gigabyte of bandwidth. Starting off with the basic. This plan is $18 a month, but if you want to pay yearly, you can save up to 22%. Here you get a custom domain, 150 pages, 500 form submissions monthly, and 10 gigabytes of bandwidth. Moving on to the CMS. This is $29 a month, but if you pay pay yearly, you can save 22%. So this is good for bloggers or other content-driven sites. So you get 150 pages, 20 CMS collections, free localization preview, 50 gigabytes of bandwidth, and 3 editors. Moving on to business, this starts at $49 a month, and you can save some money if you pay yearly. This is for larger sites, so you get custom domain, 300 pages, 100 gigabytes of bandwidth, 10 editors, and form file upload. Moving on to enterprise, in this you would need to contact sales directly. You would get uncapped users, enterprise-ready scale, advanced collaboration, and so much more. They also have plans for e-commerce starting at $42 a month all the way up to $235. Here you can see, depending on which plan you get, there is either 2% transaction fee or 0%. For standard, you get all the CMS plan features. For plus, you get all business plan features. And for advanced, you get all business plan features as well. So who is Webflow best for? Webflow is perfect for designers and developers who want to build custom websites without being constrained by templates. It's ideal for users who need full control over their design and layout, especially those working on dynamic content websites like blogs, portfolios, or e-commerce stores. If you want to get started with Webflow, go ahead and click the link in the description. Lastly, we have Squarespace, one of the most popular no-code website builders for businesses, creatives, and professionals. Squarespace is known for its beautifully designed templates and its all-in-one platform that handles everything from website building to domain registration and hosting. Let's dive into the key features. Designer quality templates. Squarespace is famous for its clean, modern templates that are perfect for anything from online portfolios to business websites. These templates are fully customizable, so you can adjust the colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Built-in e-commerce. Squarespace offers robust e-commerce tools that allow you to set up an online store, accept payments, manage inventory, and even integrate shipping. It's a great solution for anyone looking to sell products or services online, all in one platform. One of the biggest benefits of Squarespace is that it handles everything for you, including hosting, domain registration, and SSL certificates. This means you don't need to worry about finding separate hosting or setting up technical details. SEO and blogging tools. Squarespace comes with built-in SEO tools and a powerful blogging platform, making it easy to grow your online presence and attract more traffic to your site. Squarespace offers straightforward pricing tiers. To save 10% off, you want to make sure to use My First Website to get 10% off. Let's go ahead and dive into each of the plans. Starting off with the personal plan. This starts at $25 a month, and you get mobile optimization websites, templates to fit every need, send invoices for free, and 0% transaction fee on invoices. Moving on to business, which is the best value. This is for those looking to grow their audience and begin taking payments. They also get everything with the personal plan, but also advanced website analytics and sell products and services and checkout on your domain. Moving on to e-commerce. This starts at $40 a month, but if you pay annually, you can save 30%. In the commerce plan, you get everything in the business plan plus powerful merchandising as well as 0% transaction fee on online store transactions. Moving on to the advanced commerce. This plan starts at $72 a month, but if you pay annually, again, you can save some money. You get everything in the commerce plan plus advanced shipping, advanced discounting, sell subscriptions, and so much more. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can save 10% using the code MyFirstWebsite. What you'll want to do is select a plan, type in your address, and you want to add in your credit card information. You want to add the promo code MyFirstWebsite in all caps, and then you can save 10%. So who is Squarespace best for? Squarespace is best for businesses, professionals, and creatives who want a polished, professional looking website without needing to worry about technical details. Its all-in-one approach makes it easy to manage everything from one platform, and its built-in e-commerce tools make it perfect for selling online. If you want to get started with Squarespace, make sure you use our exclusive link and our discount code to save 10%. That wraps up the top 5 best no-code website builders. And again, if you're ready to get started with any of these platforms, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to get the best deal possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment with any questions you might have. This channel is dedicated to helping you create your first website. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.